If your weeknights feel like a scramble, fridge open, no plan, takeout menu already in hand, you are not lazy. You are just missing a system. Today I'm sharing 5 simple meal prep habits that can genuinely give you back hours every week. Quick heads up. This is general wellness information to make your routine easier, not medical or nutrition advice for your specific situation. Okay, let's cook back some time. The biggest myth about meal prep is that you have to cook 7 perfect meals every Sunday. You don't. Instead, block one realistic window, even 45 minutes. Treat it like any other appointment. The goal isn't finished meals, it's getting a head start. When your prep window is small and repeatable, you'll actually stick with it, and consistency is what saves the hours, not one heroic Sunday you dread. This is the game changer. Instead of making Monday's dinner, prep building blocks: a batch of a whole grain like rice or quinoa, a couple of roasted or raw vegetables, and a protein or two you enjoy. During the week you mix and match. Grain bowl one night, wrap the next, a quick stir together the third. Same ingredients, different meals, zero boredom. Components also reheat better than fully assembled plates. Whenever you cook something that stores well, just make double and stash half. You're already dirtying the pan and standing at the stove. The extra effort is almost nothing, but you've quietly banked a future meal. Do this 2 or 3 times a week and your freezer becomes a personal ready meal shop, made by someone who knows exactly what you like. Decision fatigue is a huge time and energy drain. Fight it by dedicating one shelf, or a single bin, to ready-to-eat options: washed fruit, pre-portioned nuts, cut veggies, or overnight oats. When the easy choice is also the visible choice, you spend less time deciding and less money on last-minute grabs. Future you opens the fridge and the work is already done. Before your prep window ends, spend 2 minutes writing a loose plan for the week, just a rough idea of which components go together. No rigid schedule, no pressure. A simple note removes the nightly what's for dinner stall that quietly eats your evenings. And keep a running list of what worked so next week's prep gets faster every single time. So, 1. Book a small prep window. 2. Prep components, not full dishes. 3. Double what you cook. 4. Build a grab-and-go shelf. 5. Close with a 2-minute plan. Start with just one this week. Pick the one that fixes your biggest pain point. None of this requires being a great cook, just a repeatable system. Try one habit. Tell me in the comments which one you picked, and if this helped, subscribe for more practical, science-backed wellness tips. Remember, do what fits your life and check with a professional for advice tailored to you. I'll see you in the next one. Happy prepping!